All these lines and ropes are pretty questionable, so I'm going to replace all of them. And that's going to be a little bit of a puzzle too. Here we go. So I've ordered a bunch of new lines from rope.com. This is the New England stay set, which is the inexpensive line but still quality. So these are the sheets. Red is the jib, green is main, and these are the halyards and a couple other lines. So now I gotta figure out what's what here on the mast. Which halyard? These look like there's the 3 halyards. I think this combination of tied together ropes that are falling apart is the topping lift for the boom. Okay, this one is on the front of the mast, should be the spinnaker. So it's, and then this would be the jib. And on the back would be the mainsail. They both come out down here. Okay, so that's pulling that. That's on the front, so that's the jib halyard. So I'm just buttoning these together. Using this real thin mylar tape, which is really flexible. It's not supposed to tangle. And there's the new rope. Good, it made it all the way through the mast. Okay, here's the connector for the jib sheet halyard. Hibbidi-bidi. So I think this is the topping lift. Ooh, boy, look at that. It's got some mold or moss growing on that. So it just goes around this pin. Too bad I didn't get one with an eye, but you can just tie a knot. So do the bowline. Coil it up right now. And cut it later when I got the boom hooked up. Okay, so I'm taping the new line to the old line on the bottom here. And there it is. And it came right out.